Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Leonardo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a curved vertical line, extend it past the circle. Draw a curved horizontal line at the bottom. Connect the circle with the horizontal curved line. Draw eye mask. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw tie for the eye mask. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw a circle below the head for the body shape. Draw a curved vertical line to mark center. Draw a ellipse at the end to get the basic body shape. Draw circles to mark the leg and hand position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw thigh. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw leg guard. Draw thigh. Draw leg guard. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand guard. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw sword handle. Draw katana sword. Draw stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand guard. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw sword handle. Draw katana sword. Draw shell. Draw shell. Draw a belt. Detail the belt. Erase the guidelines. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.